Safety. Oh my god. Sock you.
Nigga, what?
Oh shit, not good.
You ever seen it?
Never seen it.
I was bumping, but it's okay. Stop the cat.
Don't fuck with her. She gonna kill you. It's Friday! 40 with the on it, you know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube? Today we can give another video. And today we got my man Nuff Up. He finally turned 21. Lame man nigga. He came 2 guns on him. Nah, but we about to go into the gun range. Y'all think they'll let me use these as hearing protection, y'all? We gonna find out. But yo, I forgot my tripod.
70,
I finally
71.
found it. I wasn't looking, but I found it. We weren't looking, but I found it. Yes.
7.
You know, back in the range. I could barely hear shit. I got a hearing protection and I got a noise cancellation. You feel what I'm saying? We about to have fun now. Huh?
He no ball.
I can't hear shit.
He no ball. He came right over and made the whole book.
Y'all, I just bought a 2-shot.
I don't.
Me and my homie been looking for this for a while. How many bullets? I got 12 in here so far. Yo, this joint be so hard to fucking put in.
Pause.
Yo, you guys show them your new gun. Oh shit.
I didn't show him work. Like, do I just turn the camera?
Huh?
Definitely self-defense wise, he's out of here.
Look,
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
What's your name?
Oh, ugly.
Likewise.
Oh, no, no.
I can't. I'm not gonna. Because the people don't
flipping.
Oh shit, not good.
Huh? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Had to smack the shit out of it. Y'all, that's what we looking like now. This joint hard. Let's put the joint on hook. Yo, we not gonna talk about that.
I mean, honestly, I don't want to bring it up to you out because it costs so much.
Damn.
I don't know to ride around. I mean, I honestly just, I'm honestly just going to put that on my 16 inch of my bipod and fucking arc that shit out my window. I'm just trying to shoot. They're like me. They're coming out the street. I gotta get in the bed on the 40s though. I lost.
Damn! 4. This shit grazed him, but I still fucked him up. It hit him in the rib cage. I don't got no head tap. I'm shitty.
Aiming for the
A little bit. But hell, got a fucking aim.
Yo, yeah. Watch, I'm gonna show you this gun. You going knock?
Chat, I don't want to talk about it. I haven't been here. I haven't been sliding on the ops either.
You going to jail?
You gonna dance?
Enough about to shoot his brand new gun,
If you
y'all.
ever want to do like an advanced lesson, I do all these.
You going 9 first.
Oh, come back, come back.
Come back.
Come back. Bag it up, Terry.
Bang on Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
There you go.
What you got? You got bit.
Oh, look at the 40 on. It feels nice.
Yeah, it feel nice, but soon as I slide automatically.
Damn!
Chamber one by itself. Oh my god.
Oh shit!
I like
Hold up! Hold up! Oh fuck!
I like it.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
It looked like you like it.
I like it a
What?
lot.
Give me your camera next time.
I will get the camera for that too. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
You about to shoot the other joint?
See it now?
Yeah. Fuck it. Oh, you got loaded?
Yeah, I'm only gonna put a couple in. I'm getting like 2 shots. I'm getting like 2.
Alright, he about to put in 2 shots. This is his first time shooting this joint. Damn, the bullet's big as shit. God damn. Chad, don't get hit with a 4-pound, y'all. Just run. Don't run zigzag, gang. That shit over for you. This nigga is a criminal.
Kick to it.
Let me find out you've been on the drill. Let me find out you've been on the drill. This joint. Yo, this joint nice.
I'm gonna go red dot.
I'm gonna kill you.
Red dot on?
Red dot on.
Red dot on. Safety. Oh my god. Saki. Oh shit.
No, try that. I want
He said, "Come on, try
to
that."
get on the video. I'm in. YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Famous job.
Famous
I'ma
Job?
give it-
Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull it up right now. But I'm gonna make sure I like it right now.
Get his channel too, cause he posted this video on his channel. This page.
Yeah.
On my target. That's pure pristine right now.
We switching. Y'all, we. Shit, that sound like it hurt. Gang. Yo. Record, shorty.
That shit came back.
Yo, this is Black Guy.
Chat, we got him shooting both of them. He gonna shoot the nine first.
I like that. It shoots straight. It's like real. I like this.
Now go to the other one.
This one now?
Yes.
This motherfucking hit part? Oh shit. Oh my god, I need a red dot.
Right, scared.
I like it. I got these cheeseburgers, man. I like it. Oh my
You're
god.
making me want to buy that gun.
I like it. I
I
like
bought that
it.
gun twice and sold it.
What?
Why you selling?
FNX 45 Tech.
Why you sell it?
don't know, man. You know, you get a lot of guns. You be like, you know what? Somebody's like, let's buy it.
Yeah.
Then you see it, be like, damn, they look good. Now I want it again.
Give up the third one. Give up the third one.
Yo, funny story.
What you about to shoot? The 40?
Newcastle.
Let me shoot.
You gotta shoot the 40. All right.
That 40 water. What you know about that 40 water?
I'm shooting your target with it.
Huh?
I'm shooting your target with it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Don't mess up my beautiful
No, I'm
target.
gonna show you how you do it.
No, you're not messing up my
Let me
target.
just get 3.
You're not messing up my target.
I'm starting to like this one too.
Oh my god. Oh, headshot! Yo, you working my bitch better than me. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Yeah, out there.
Maybe. Oh, it's forced. Damn!
Eddie, let me smack that jump.
Go buy a round of bullets.
How many are in here?
You gotta hear that. I can see it.
You said what?
That's like,
Oh, that's right.
I'm buying more.
What's your everyday carry?
I carry a 9mm, but I shoot Desi's one-handed.
Desi? Say you shoot Desi's one hand. I'm not fucking with him.
What was that?
You're gonna hit yourself.
Here, you want to see the video?
Wait, you're right. Come on.
Nigga, what?
Yo, my body vibrating, yo. What the fuck?
I don't know. Doing it. I can't shoot it. Legal. That's why.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
You're the man.
You shoot to them upside down.
You shoot Desert Eagles upside down?
Yeah, all that shit, you know?
How?
I don't believe in recoil. It don't exist. Let me shoot
doesn't
some 40 or
exist.
some 45. I'll show you a little different.
Y'all, I guess I'm just ass. I'm ass. Recoil doesn't exist.
But wait! There's more!
Get a video, please. You about to throw it. All right. The Glock 23. Never shot a 23V. Let's see what it's going to be.
What
Oh shit, not good.
the fuck?
He ain't got no recoil.
It was no recoil.
Where you see the grouping? I fucked up the smiley face, but you get the idea, you know.
Chat.
That
Nigga did. That just fell. I feel like I did okay. It was okay. Let's pull him
Now, if
up.
you really want to see something, let me see that 45.
Oh shit.
Because, you know, see, 45 is different.
He's dead. Chat, he's dead. Look. Okay. That was better. I be aiming so low. That's my problem. He about to shoot the 45? Yo, these bullets are fucking giant, bro. Check. Look at this fucking bullet.
40 is, I mean, yeah, 45 and 40 is light, it's regular, you know? But
You gotta get the top.
I
Yo,
don't,
these bullets
I
are
bring my
fucking
10 mil out
big
in
as
two-
shit.
I gotta,
Imagine
I gotta
10
take ammo.
mils.
That shit's a little expensive, okay? 2 weeks from now, I'm gonna be dumping 10 mil. I'm trying not to put the FRT on the 10 mil. Because then nobody else can shoot it.
I'm gonna just put one bullet in it, Joey, so it don't matter.
We're ready for you. We ready.
You ready?
We ready.
Oh, wait, the 45.
I hope the channel likes, you know, I'm gonna.
I gotta go over there.
They shoot one of my guns down there, okay? I'm a mad gun scientist. If you haven't learned by now, we're gonna learn some more. Get your white ass on the floor.
Oh my God! Wow!
I got a little excited on that one, but you get the idea.
Oh shit! He said, "Get your white ass on the floor."
I said, well. I think you need some more shots with this. Yeah, I need to get a.
Come on, get some shots.
30 people on the other side of the hallway in the dark in that firebomb. And you didn't see them being blown apart.
Oh
Yo,
shit!
Art, they have a B?
You ready?
Yeah, they got. I never shot a 23B before, but it was pretty good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It was pretty good, you know.
I shot a V.
So what's your favorite?
I mean, it depends what day of the week. Always Springfield, you know. I love Springfield, and I always like a Glock. So always something good.
Oh, crazy. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, come on.
We're gonna all hit this one.
A few moments later.
That's how it's done, he said.
Oh shit! Like, get that joint on your like.
Oh shit, not good.
He's still in training, all right.
I fucking gripped it too hard. Fuck this.
No, you're good. I should fuck upside down.
Oh, I should have shot it.
They look like
Shoot one upside down. I want to see it. I want to see it.
Hey yo, if Joe shoots his gun up and turns the lights down, we're over
Damn, what the fuck is this?
the shell case.
No, what's this?
5.56.
Damn.
You don't know about that? You ever seen Christmas in the magazine?
Yo.
Tips, red tips.
Red and green tips?
Red,
Yeah.
green.
Let me
And
see how many
tungsten.
5.56.
Yeah, he puts it right here. Y'all got about to take a video. Bro, he's like this.
Listen. They ain't ready for that. They ain't ready for that, okay? Who ain't ready for that? You know what this is?
I don't.
That's a switchy.
That looks like some big shit.
Wait, what
You got, you got,
Big as shit.
That looks like a Springfield arm.
that shit looks like some big shit. It's regular? Now, let me clear it. You ever see anybody clear a gun like this? Let me show you. You ever seen it?
Never seen
I
it.
was going, but it's okay.
Stop the cap.
You know what I mean? Can you lock your gun like that?
I doubt it.
But, you feel me? You got some 9mm?
You put 9mm? 19 plus 1.
That's 22.
Oh, it's 22.
That's the flush. This is a plus one base plate. That's a plus a couple. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right, throw some nines in there. Go ahead, give her a shot. All right, this gun's name is Benvolio.
Then
Why the fuck
Batman like that.
Huh?
Batman like that.
Art, you got a map?
Get her, yeah, actually.
Next time, yo, I just go
Run it for their channel. Hey, no, Dylan's gonna run Little Susie for the channel, all right? Now, if he don't run these 4 rounds in 1 second, I'm gonna stomp him out, all right? Now, let me show y'all something, all right? Now, this trigger on this gun, that's it. That's it. I get you smacking the face.
Come on, Dylan.
All right, Dylan got to run 4 rounds in 0.3 seconds.
Oh shit!
I'm out of bullets.
That's yours?
I had more fun shooting.
Yeah, little Susie.
Dylan's the man. Dylan's the man. Woo!
Give it to me.
Huh?
The camera.
Oh yeah.
Yo, that I thought it was gonna be heavier. Than I feel like.
Hey, let him dump my drum.
I'll throw that back out there.
My 60-round drum for 30
Wait, it's not that heavy?
No. I thought it was gonna be heavy. That joint is light.
My home defense is pretty tungsten.
I want to put tungsten rod in my 43X.
I'm not talking about bullets. I got tungsten. Let me hit that one more time. Only had 2 in this one.
That's it. Some shit.
If I'm a 20-inch, I can shoot.
John
like
nervous.
Big ass piece of steel.
I'm gonna check where you did.
Huh?
There's a lot of guns up there to hit.
That's it.
That's the fun part.
He got a lot, bro.
That's the fun part.
I like it. It shoots straight. I feel like bigger guns shoot flatter.
Less recoil.
That,
They heavier.
yeah, that's nice.
How y'all like that?
I like
It
it.
shoot very flat. I like it. I think all, I don't know if it's just my experience, but all bigger guns shoot like,
I mean, to me, all guns shoot flat. You know what I mean?
that's to you.
I mean, they all do that. You know what I mean?
I feel you.
Matter of fact, even this damn shit. Where this gun come from?
Joe.
Is that the Hellcat?
No, this is the
pulled
Bodyguard 2.0.
He just pulled the pocket rocket.
Now you want? Now listen. I promise you, it's not a switch on this. All right, I promise you. All right. That's it. A lot of bullets.
Oh
A little
wow.
double tap. My carry bag is out there on the table. That's my little pocket rocket. You know.
What the hell? What goes inside there? What bullet?
380.
380.
I do got one more gun on me though.
How many guns do you have?
Yo, he's spotting them just like we in
Yo.
GTA. Yo, like we
many
in
holsters do you have?
GTA.
You ever seen those rounds?
Is that a screw?
I mean, find me a screw.
Yo!
I know, bro. That's
What the fuck is going on?
No
I'm
way.
trying to get y'all ready.
Yeah,
He's not a real person.
he definitely
I
not.
am a real person, but we may be living in the matrix. Though. I don't know.
That's the real John Wick. John, you ain't John Wick no more.
I'm the real John.
Yeah, you ain't John Wick no more. At all. Oh my God. How you?
That you had you.
Oh, it's got a suppressor on it.
She got aim. You have very good aim. What the?
That's the F-star.
Shit.
So that don't sound like
That-
No.
you're lying.
Like the sub 2000?
Oh my God! Don't fuck with her. She gonna kill me.
Dick Rider!
Yo, this.
Okay. First time one hand, that was good.
That was nice.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, no glaze. I think Nuffa really be good at everything he do, bro. I hate this.
See, I do got a little shot on me, chat. Just a little bit.
I'm starting to think like on his side job, he kill people.
Chill. In GTA.
We're calling the cops.
FBI, open up!
In GTA. In GTA.
We gonna see. Oh my God!
Give me the camera.
I'm aiming for 3.
You completely.
Alright, 14. I can't see the light no more.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
We're not gonna talk about
What are
it.
you aiming at?
We're not gonna talk about it.
What are you aiming at? You aim for 3 and 14. Chat, he didn't touch neither of them. It's 6 in there.
This for you or me?
Shoot 3. Alright. Shoot 3, and then I shoot the last 3.
Oh, this feel good.
I shoot the last 3.
I hit 1 twice. That's what I was aiming for.
You aiming for 1?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for 3.
Okay.
14.
Oh, you missed.
I hit that 3 that second.
You missed badly.
I know. I know. I hit that 3 that second. I'm at that second one. I definitely missed 14 bad. Let's go spend 3 more thousand.
Stop it. Get some help.
11 in here. I'm gonna shoot like 6.
Leave me with 3.
Leave you with 3?
Yeah.
I don't know. I might. Oh my God, this shit.
There go to 1. I don't know what that was.
I don't know what that was.
How many you end up shooting?
I don't know.
It's 2 in there and
It's
1
like
in the head.
6.
It's 2 in there and 1 in the head, right?
Yo, that gonna be hitting the shit out of me.
No, them two dusting up your mind.
That you hit the shit out my head. Yo, I'm gonna start coming here more often.
I'm in love, Chad.
He said I'm in love. This nigga just like guns.
I'm getting another one soon.
Yo, we're
gonna be back
You
here.
always got a bad habit, bro.
Bro, we're gonna be back here again, bro.
No, we're coming back.
It's only right to come back.
We're definitely coming back.
I'm gonna be back tomorrow.
If he comes back tomorrow, we gotta call the cops on him. We gotta call the cops on him if he comes back tomorrow.
I ain't gonna hold you. I got the best shot in the group chat. Stand.
Add me in.
No, you're not getting added. Never.
Why not?
You're not joining the group chat.
Alright.
You're.
flex now.
Wait till we get up. Wait till we get up there, all
I'm
right?
gonna get y'all all the way up.
right.
All the way up.
Okay. We got you. Chat. If we end up being amazing, he's getting added to the group chat. How about that? He gonna be in the group chat.
Show this how to do it.
All y'all that might be the please like, comment, subscribe. That's the end of enough of.
My fake one?
I shot you. That one?
No. This one. You wanna shoot it?
I'll stick the box. I got
That one's alright.
It's a Glock. You put your Glock back in. It's the same. Yours is cursed.
Let's just walk away. Hurry up. Let's just walk away.
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
All right, that's the end to the video. I love you. Please like,
Why not end it outside?
I'll be back.
Like, comment.
But wait! There's more!
Yeah. The 40 with the on it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, new mag alert, new clip alert.
like, comment, and subscribe.
I feel shit, you know?